Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on GoPro Hero 11 Mini. And to do this, first we'll need to power on this device, so click on the pair button right here. Now click on the same button again till you see the preferences in this small window. Here click on the shutter button until you find the factory reset. Then select it with this button and click on this button again to go for the this button to confirm the factory reset, and it should restart your device now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.